one of my very dear friends, he's coming to Saudi Arabia for Umrah. 1700 views. Do you think it's a good idea to keep them like this? My friend legend coming here straight from China for Umrah. I can take a picture. This is your first welcome in Saudi Arabia. أنا أتكلم عربي.
ما شاء الله عليك.
شكرا حياك الله. Yeah, अपनी. हाँ full मजे में.
There are a lot of nationalities, I think.
Yeah, exactly. They are watching nowadays. Yeah. Let's go to Tim Hortons.
Okay, tell me something about your life here in Saudi Arabia.
Guys, let me just start the car. So here's the thing, guys. One of my very dear friends, he's coming to Saudi Arabia for Umrah. He's coming from China. He's a Pakistani, but he lives and works in China. He's doing a PhD over there, and it's been quite some time since I met with him. His name is Ahsan, and well, I'm quite looking forward to meeting with him. But the thing is that he's coming to Riyadh first, and then he has a connecting flight from Riyadh to Jeddah on Saudi Airlines. So the time is gonna be short because you see the transit time, it's a bit less, just like 2 hours. So we'll see how we can manage this meeting. Right now it's 5:46 p.m. and there's another thing that I have to figure out first before actually going to meet him. So the thing is that this windshield actually has a bit of, like you can say, concrete droplets, since this car remains at this construction site during the day. So maybe from somewhere these concrete droplets came. They are like very minor, but when I drive during the day, I have noticed that they give a sort of a glare, and it's like shining onto your eyes. And well, the thing is, I'm gonna go to the car wash, and I'm gonna hopefully get these scrubbed off. So guys, the thing is that I got the screen cleaned, but well, the traffic of Riyadh is a constant thing, and look at the time. It's like 8 like not 8 but 6:49. So roughly about 1 hour and 45 minutes remaining. I have to go back home, and then I'll leave for the airport. Well, can anyone guess which road this is and what's the place? These are the hints. So the thing is, Ahsan has a pretty tight schedule for the connecting flight, so we'll not be able to have dinner together, but I'm thinking maybe I could get some snacks that we can have while we are chit-chatting. This seems fine. These are like biscuits, but anyways, this one seems good. Kaleja. Let's see which one I would prefer. I think I'll go with this one, and then we can see, maybe we can have a coffee there at the airport. What's up, guys? What a lovely evening in Riyadh. Neither too cold, neither too hot. Seems like the weather is striking a perfect balance between both extremes. Are you enjoying the weather? It's, by the way, 17th of December. Is it gonna get cold? Seems like it. Let me know in the comments. Now guys, I have to put my bag and my uniform back at home, and then I'll just head out quickly. So guys, I have to go to the ATM to get some cash for Ahsan. He sent me money online and he needed riyals, but I couldn't find a parking here. And actually here, this was the point where once a car went into the hood of my, actually a cat went into the hood of my car. So guys, done with the cash. Now let's go to the airport. I have to be a bit quick right now, looking at the urgency of me being present there before them. Yalla, let's go. So right now it's showing like 31 minutes, 34 kilometers till the airport. Time to leave now. But before I go, I need to show you something. So have you ever seen this in the neighborhoods of Riyadh or any other place in Saudi Arabia? Well, this is a substation, you can say, electrical substation, and on the back side of this gate there are electrical transformers. So they distribute power to these neighborhoods, and these are coming from a bigger substation, most possibly a 13.8 kV. So the thing is, back in Pakistan we have like these generators, the transformers open in the air in the streets, but here these are enclosed. Do you think it's a good idea to keep them like this? But I am thinking that maybe they would have surveillance inside of some sorts. Well guys, it's not like I change my plans a lot, but the thing is that I've done some calculations and I have a fair bit of time. So I mean, like, just enough time to post on TikTok. That's what I'm gonna do, and post on the same on YouTube, Instagram, and also my X account as well. If you follow me, do go and check out my X account as well. It's like a place where I put my thoughts and engage with people. So you also need to have an X account as well. It's an interesting place to be. Crazy also happened. You see, this is my TikTok account. Although my followers have like not increased, but the thing is that if you go down on, let me just clear this, if you go down on this video is getting like 1700 views. The other ones get like 180, 178. You see, maximum like 745. But the thing is, it's getting a lot of traction, and this video is on Romancia, this brand, this food restaurant, Romancia. For this one, guys, the interesting thing is that it seemed like the video had some momentum, and I strictly believe that once you have momentum, you shouldn't let that momentum go. And the very reasonable thing was to post another video once I had the balls rolling. So it's like the snowball effect. At the top it's like just a snowball, then at the end it's like an avalanche. So well, I posted another video taking benefit of the momentum that I had, and let's hope the snowball keeps on increasing. So guys, I'm standing right here in the temporary free parking. Now if you haven't been here before, the thing is that you are allowed to park here for up to 6 hours, and they give you this ticket. Once you come into the temporary free parking, there's this one kiosk where you just push a button and it gives you this ticket. If you haven't been here before, well, you can park here temporarily. So the thing is that what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for my friend. That's the airport over there. Well, I'm gonna track his flight. There are websites and apps that let you do that, and also I'm gonna reply back to some comments on my TikTok video that's kind of blowing up. So guys, well, the thing is that when I checked the flight tracker, to my surprise, the flight is early, 20 minutes early. So I'll be now heading to the terminal. So guys, I just reached at the terminal 4 at King Khalid International Airport. From my experience, and you see, from Gwangju our guys arrived at 2019. What's up guys, I came to take my friends from this King Khalid International Airport, the terminal 4. In 2023 I came to terminal, and it brings back a lot of memories. If you live in Riyadh or have been to Riyadh, let me know if you have been to terminal 4 for any arrival or departure. Here we have my brother, my friend, the man, the myth, the legend, coming here straight from China for Umrah. Ehsan. Assalamu alaikum. كيف حالك؟ اقدر اسوي فيديو؟ شكرا حياك الله. عين من سين اول مرة. يا.
الرياض.
شكرا.
सिटी रियाद. अच्छा, ये रियाद के बारे में.
This is about Riyadh, yeah. हाँ.
अच्छा, माशाल्लाह.
You can
Yeah.
there is code for mobile.
Oh, okay.
If you
Actually,
take it,
Yeah.
I
and
can
you will see all things.
هما عندي وقت كتير الحين.
ما في مشكلة. ما في
إن شاء الله.
I can take the picture.
This is your first welcome in Saudi Arabia.
I will take the picture. When I will get the internet, then I will show you.
No problem.
Yeah.
And take this. No problem.
هما بيسويون عمرة إن شاء الله.
إن شاء الله.
إن شاء الله.
Sure. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Take it. It's good for you. Thank you.
ले लीजिए हाँ.
Welcome to India.
Yes.
جزاكم الله خيرا.
ممكن أنا أخذ أي شيء؟
Atlanta.
شكرا.
طيب شاينا ولا انجلش؟
أنا أبغى عربي، لغة عربية. أنا أتعلم عربي.
اوه ما شاء الله عليك.
أنا جيت هنا بعد سنة قبل. أنا ساكن هنا.
MashaAllah.
Yeah. Shukran, shukran. Hayakallah. Allah yutikul afiya.
See you.
Shukran, hayakallah. Allah yutikul afiya. Shukran, masalam. ये अपनी शंजान ली, चाइना ली भाई, प्रमोट कर रहे हैं चाइना को. अंदर देख इलेक्ट्रिक ही निकलेगी. हाँ फुल मज़े में. कैसी है? क्या बात है. स्पेस बहुत है, स्पेस बहुत है. हाँ
ये तो पाकिस्तान में तो मुझे नहीं लगता अभी BYD आना शुरू.
BYD बाबा ये बहुत आगे हैं. बड़ी मस्त चीज़ है. आजा अंदर बैठना, ठंड लगेगी सारों को. अपना सामान लेके आओ. Now guys, what Saki को मैंने बता दिया.
अच्छा.
What we are going to do is we are gonna have coffee.
Inshallah.
I have switched my vlogs to English. You see, I want to reach a larger audience.
Yes, because there are a lot of nationalities. I think.
Yeah, exactly. They are watching my videos. Yeah.
So he's my friend Talha. He's my buddy friend.
Buddy. I told them you are the man, the myth, the legend, my brother, my friend, my best friend.
So it's Talha's love for me because he came here because I talked to him when I was in China. So I'm coming from China for Umrah here.
Yeah. All my time is for you. All my time is for you.
you love. So
let's go to Tim Hortons. We'll take from here.
Okay, Tim Hortons.
क्या बात.
Okay, tell me something about your life here in Saudi Arabia.
Life here is so busy. Life here is
Yes,
extremely busy.
I know.
But it's such a blessing to be here.
Yeah.
And it's a wonderful place, very secure.
Yeah,
has a
yeah.
lot of amenities. Everything is good. You have seen the airports.
Yeah, alhamdulillah, everything is
good.
Everything
Yeah.
is
Now
good.
you'll see the roads. Now you'll see the infrastructure of Jeddah, Medina, Makkah. If you had time, I would have shown you Riyadh as well.
You must join us in Medina.
Inshallah, I will.
Because
I will.
we are planning to see some places
Inshallah.
in Medina.
It would
as
be
well.
good to see them together.
Yeah, because I was
Yeah,
wishing
inshallah.
that you join me in Makkah,
Inshallah.
but I know everyone have their
There's a lot
own,
of work and tight schedule.
Yeah. So he's Talha. He is always my love. I also wanna mention Saqib here
Saqib.
because he is also
Saqib.
our good friend. But I didn't tell him because I don't wanna tell anybody because I am here. But Talha knows I am here, so Saqib knows that I am
Saqib also
here.
knows.
So it's a
one
prayer
flat
meeting
right
with Talha. Yeah. So right now we are at Riyadh
Hortons.
Airport,
And
Tim
Tim
Hortons,
Hortons,
and we will have a coffee here. After that, Talha will drop us another terminal T5. Then we
T5,
will take a flight for Jeddah.
Yeah, you'll love
So,
Saudi Arabia. You'll
inshallah,
love Saudi
inshallah.
Arabia, and inshallah you'll have a great.
Yeah, it's a
Umrah.
holy place.
It's a holy place.
So it's always
Inshallah.
being worthy.
Worthy
standing
of
here.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It's a
So,
pleasure. Thank you, Bablu.
Jazakallah khair for coming.
Thank you. So guys, here's the thing. So after I picked my friends up, we got some coffee. When I came to the parking, before I tell you what happened, I want to clear here that this vlogging journey and sharing my point of view, well, I want to keep it honest. So I want to share the rough stuff as well, or at least I would like to. But the thing is that when we came out, there was this one policeman and he told us that I was fined for over parking. So well, the thing is that this type of stuff is a part of life, and if you go to the Riyadh airport, just make sure that you don't overpark. I got into a bit of waiting period, and then that was the reason. So anyways, we got to end the day with good stuff as well. So I came to this tea shop that I usually come to, Shah Saud on Takhasusi Street. I'll show you the scenes as well right now. So you see, this is how the scenes are like. We have a fire going on, and that's where I parked my car. So got to end the day with good thoughts and good plans for the day ahead. And well, all in all, I was like quite pleased to meet my friend Ehsan today. Ehsan, if you are watching this video, and his other friends as well, it was a pleasure meeting them. Absolutely amazing people, absolute gents. So inshallah, I'm planning to meet them in the coming days in Medina, hopefully. That's at least what I have planned and sketched out. So let's see how it goes. But if you watch the video till here, I would like to appreciate you for watching and giving part of your time, actually spending a part of your time with me and my friends as well. I appreciate you for that, and may God bless you. And right now on your screen you would be seeing 2 videos that might be relevant to your interests or liking. You can see those as well. If you do, I would see you in those as well. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead, great night ahead. Have a wonderful life.